Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation CH dash and then a number after the dash. So that stands for chain this many in a row below. So what that refers to is you will be making a number of stitches into the row below those chains that you've made. So in this situation here in the swatch, the row below is single crochet 2, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet 2, chain 2, skip 2, and so on. And in the row where it would have CH-2, we've got instructions to double crochet 4 into the chain 2. So I've got this chain 2 opening here, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to double crochet 4 into CH-2. 3, 4. The next set of instructions is skip 2. So I've got 1, 2, double crochet 4 into CH-2. And that's what I'm going to do. So when you see abbreviation CH dash and then a number, it refers to the row below, and you will be performing a number of stitches and actions into that space that was created by chains in the row below. So that's it.